Did you know you can turn an avocado seed into a mini bonsai tree? Let me show you how. Start by taking the seed out and carefully remove the brown outer skin. Easiest is this by using a knife, but be careful to not damage the seed. Wrap it in a damp paper towel, place it in a sealed plastic bag, and leave it in a warm place for a few days so it can begin to germinate. Make sure the bag is tightly sealed to maintain a humid environment. Germination can take a few weeks, but for me it usually happens pretty quickly. Once the seed cracks open, you can either plant it straight into soil or leave it in water a bit longer like I did. I used an avocado glass to make things easier, but a simple glass of water works just as well. The root starts growing in the water almost immediately, and after a few days the first stem begins to emerge. Once the stem is a few centimeters tall and the first leaves are easy to recognize, that's the perfect sign to begin your bonsai project. I placed the little tree on a stone, arranged the roots, covered all the roots with soil and pressed them slightly to the stone, watered it, and gently pulled the little stem downward with jute twine. In the time lapse, you can already see new growth and the leaves getting bigger and the top starting to bend up again. To encourage new shoots, I then cut off the tip of the main stem. Some more water, and then I had to wait. I already started to worry that the bonsai wouldn't survive, but only a few days later, new branches began to grow. Since the plant started to look healthier than ever, I decided it was time to expose the roots. Using a small rake and a brush, I carefully uncovered them and removed the dead ones with a pair of scissors, and it looked amazing. With the roots cleaned up, I watered the plant again, and the time-lapse showed healthy growth over the following days. Once it was looking even better, I decided to enhance the overall appearance by covering the soil with stones. In general, you can use whatever stones you like. I went with some lighter ones because they match the overall style. Since I had already planned this, I left some space in the pot so I could fill it with the stones now. After carefully placing all the stones until no more soil was visible, I watered the plant again. And that's how I grew my little avocado bonsai. But tell me, how long should I keep this project going?